Hi friends, I Abhinav Negi welcome you all on BYJU'S exam prep. As you know that on 17th of December, the ISRO exam will be there, and for civil engineers, the exam will be on afternoon session. Okay, that is on the second shift. Exact timing, details, center, everything will be coming. The admit card will be coming on the first week of November, first week of December. So guys, nearly 20 days are left. Of course, guys, not to make any false motivation and false promise, the real aspirants for this particular session are those who have already completed more than 80 to 90% of the syllabus. Okay, of course, if you are new, you have done only partial syllabus or even 50 or 60% syllabus, still guys, you are not the potential candidate for this. Better to start preparing for the exams which will be after 3 months or 4 months. This is for those, the potential students will be those who have covered more than 90% syllabus, because time is only 20 days left. And expected cutoff, I already told you, the cutoff is expected around 70 to 75 marks out of 100. Of course, the individual cutoff for both the papers, paper A and paper B, is 50-50% for general students and 40-40 for this. 50% is the minimum cutoff here, 50% is the minimum cutoff there, and for SC/ST it is 40% here, 40%, and overall it is 60% required for general candidates. Now guys, 80 marks here, it will be asked, they are asking 80 questions. 80 questions, every question will be +1 and -1/3. Out of 80 questions, 60 will be from the civil part and 20 will be from a light part. A light means the topics which are related to civil, like aerospace, like earthquake engineering, like metallurgy, like GPS, like GIS, like remote sensing. We have taken a session on this as well. And the remaining 20 marks will be aptitude, where the total it will be 15 questions. So it will be total 80 plus 5, 95 questions for 100 marks, and here the +1 -1/3. Now, of course, this session is all about the topics which are expected. Guys, if I say that the important topics, that these are the important topics of civil engineering, this is, I'm not talking of ISRO, I'm not talking of GATE, I'm not talking of engineering services. If these are the important topics of civil engineering, then let me tell you guys, then out of those important topics, 80% approximately, the topics are important for every exam. Let me give you example, like compass surveying. So compass surveying is now important for all exams, not for GATE. It is equally important for engineering services. The most questions are asked from compass surveying, in same also in GATE, also same in ISRO also. Only there is a slight fluctuation of 20% that this particular concept is usually asked in ESC or any other exam, but not in GATE. Let me give example of that also. Chain surveying. Chain surveying is not an important topic or not a frequent topic for the GATE point of view, but that is an important topic for the engineering services point of view, especially in objective. So guys, many times in this YouTube channel I have taken the list of the important topics for GATE or ESC, but guys, this will be for ISRO. Okay, this will be guys for ISRO. So of course 80% will be same, but slight fluctuation will be there. Now, how I decided that this will be important for ISRO? On the basis of the previous year question papers that ISRO has asked. On the basis of that, these topics are important. Let me tell you these topics subject wise. For SOM, the most questions asked are slope and deflection, stress and strain, and torsion and bending stresses. Okay, torsion and bending stresses. Now stress strain includes the sustain curve, the properties of material, Poisson ratio, thermal stress, everything. See, part is of 60 marks, 60 questions in technical. So in 60 guys, you can expect that 7 to 8 questions or maybe a couple of more questions will be from SOM. Now, for RCC, you can expect guys, the weightage here is not as less as GATE. It is, you can expect 7 to 10 questions. LSM method of beam design. Okay, that calculating the depth of neutral axis, calculating the critical axis or limiting axis, comparing them, finding a moment of resistance. shear reinforcement, vertical shear spacing, pre-stress concrete, and IS code recommendation. This is important for RCC, and you can expect that around 8 questions will be asked from the RCC. Okay, now moving forward, steel plastic analysis, guys. Plastic analysis and few questions are from connection. Okay, you can expect 5 to 6 questions from steel as well. Now, for structural analysis, the two topics which have been asked maximum times in the previous year is determinacy, indeterminacy, and ILD, both static and kinematic indeterminacy. Okay, and you can expect 5 to 6 questions from this topic as well. Now, building material and per CPM, guys, there is no particular topic which is asked maximum number of times. So, जबरदस्ती हवाबाजी करने में कोई फायदा नहीं है कि इसका ये इंपॉर्टेंट है कोई इंपॉर्टेंट, ऐसा प्रीवियस पेपर देख के मेरे को लगा ही नहीं कि ये वाला टॉपिक हैज बीन मोर आस्क्ड, पर्ट इज मोर आस्क्ड और सीपीएम इज मोर आस्क्ड और एरर्स इन द नेटवर्क डायग्राम इज मोर आस्क्ड. ओके, तो जबरदस्ती हवाबाजी करने का कोई फायदा नहीं है. Okay, so in these there is no any particular topic important or not important. Equally all topics for building material and per CPM are important. For soil, the maximum questions as expected in other exams as well. Phase diagram, shallow foundation, particularly Terzaghi bearing capacity. Okay, rarely they are asking Skempton and Mayer of Terzaghi. Okay, same like in GATE, guys, 80% chance are the question will be coming from Terzaghi, 20% chances the question are asked from Skempton and Mayer of. In last year also they asked a question from Mayer of and Skempton, but more chances are in from Terzaghi. The ratio there is 80 and 20, 80 in the favor Terzaghi. But here the ratio is even more contrasting. 95% they are asking the question from Terzaghi. Seepage analysis, that is quicksand condition and all, consolidation and shear strength. In soil mechanics, you can expect around 6 to 8 questions out of the 60. Now, FM and OCF, guys, force and curve members, fluid statics, dimensionless parameters, that Reynolds, Weibull's and Froude numbers, uniform flow and specific energy. You can expect around 5 to 6 questions from this also, FM and OCF. Okay, now survey, guys, compass, the same like GATE. Okay, here nothing much variation. 5 questions approximately from surveying you can expect in the ISRO out of the 60 questions of the technical. Hydrology, infiltration and runoff. Infiltration includes now everything, phi, W and Horton's curve. And runoff includes hydrograph and unit hydrograph, both. Okay. Now irrigation, delta duty relationship, Canadian lessons theory is not very important for GATE, but yes, the questions have been asked in the previous years for the civil engineers from this topic as well. Okay, delta duty relationship and Canadian lessons theory. Environment, guys, you can in irrigation you can expect 3 to 4 questions. Okay, similarly in hydrology 3 to 4 questions. In environment also you can expect 7 to 8 questions. Sedimentation tag, ASP, hardness and BOD, from these topics the maximum number of numericals have been asked. Okay, highway, guys, again 4 to 5 questions, not as high weightage as in GATE, but super elevation, capacity of road, Webster method of signal design, SSD, OSD, these questions are expected, and in previous year also they are asked. I hope, guys, you got the idea. Okay, anything you want, you can join me in my Telegram group, Civil by Abhinav sir. You can join me here, guys. Okay, now there is a mega mock challenge. This is on app, free of cost. Okay, the different sets of papers or even the full length are available at different point of time. You can give any time. Suppose, let me give example, hydrology, irrigation, OCF, FM. Any time from 25th November to 1 December, you can give this test. Exactly as GATE pattern, any time. And the results will be announced on 2nd December. You will be getting the prizes if you are in the top performance. Now, scholarship test is, guys, on 26th November. It will be free of cost on app. Okay, on app it is free of cost. Okay, in the description box now you will finding a link of with Abhinav Negi. There is a link written. With Abhinav Negi, there is a link written, blue color. You can click there and download our app. Free of cost. This test is also free of cost, and if you perform well, you can get 90% discount. Even if you don't want to enroll in courses, still, guys, you can check your performance on the all India level with free of cost. It's beneficial in any way. Okay, the vision courses are available in English and Hindi. What is vision course? From where a student who is zero knowledge, can get all about that subject and the course, complete civil engineering course. Okay, this is my Telegram group, Civil by Abhinav sir. I hope you get this session. Any doubt you can ask me in my Telegram group. Thank you. Take care. Thank you, guys.